Hi, in this video I will show you how to mount IKEA Trofast storage on wall. Tools that you need: wall anchors and screws, electric screwdriver, drill bits depending on your screws, level, pencil, stud finder. No hardware is coming with the shelf, so you have to have your own tools, screws and anchors. Links to everything I use are down in the description. Position your wall storage in the desired spot. I used a couple plastic IKEA boxes and books. You can use tables, chairs, whatever you need to put it at the right height. Make sure it's leveled. The bubble on the level should be right in the center. Mark the holes on the wall with a pencil. It's always better to put screws into studs. However, it's not always possible. In my case, there is a specific place on the wall where I want to mount it, so I will adapt. If you have a stud finder, check all the marks on the wall for stud behind the wall. There is a high chance that you don't have a stud finder. In this case, use the smallest drill bit size and make a tiny hole right in the center of your mark. Typical drywall is about half an inch thick. If you feel something deeper than half an inch, it's likely a stud. If it's empty, you'll need to use an anchor. If there is a stud, you just need a simple screw. In most cases, there won't be a stud, so we have to use anchors. I use the following anchors and screws. Number 8, hold up to 75 pounds. Drill the hole. Insert the anchor till the beginning of the thread. Use a screwdriver to screw in the anchor. Repeat for the rest of the holes. One of my brackets will be mounted on the side of IKEA Besta shelf unit. It is actually empty inside, so it can't really hold any weight at all. When it comes to hanging furniture on walls, I suggest safety first. In this case, I'll be adding one shelf bracket mounted on a stud. Measure and mark the shelf bracket on the wall storage and secure it with little screws before mounting to the wall. As a result, my wall storage will be hanging on one 75 pounds anchor, one shelf bracket mounted to a stud, and one bolt to IKEA Besta shelf unit. Put the wall storage back on your support and secure it with screws. There is a metal piece that goes between the screw head and the mounting bracket. It can be used to horizontally level your unit a little bit. To go in further with safety, I am adding one extra screw into the wooden window molding. Always perform a final stress weight test. Insert your mesh or plastic Trofast boxes. And that's how you mount an IKEA Trofast wall storage to the wall. Thanks for watching, hope you found it helpful.